technical analysis on UAVS, GSAT, and NVAX, along with some brief fundamental statistics and reviewing my current positions and their price targets. Starting off with the price action for UAVS, we do have this ascending level of support that was validated today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points on this. We are trading this tight channel. I can tell you for sure. And quick disclaimer, guys, it's not financial advice. Do your own due diligence as always. But I have not done my due diligence on any of these three companies that we're about to cover. I'm just looking at them as far as the chart patterns and the technical analysis to give you a quick short-term probabilities on where the stock is going to go, because we were suggested in the comments to these stocks. Okay, so we're going to cover them. Okay, taking a look at the RSI, we are looking at 82.32, extremely overbought on the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the daily RSI, though. It is fairly more accurate in my opinion sometimes. Okay, we're looking at 71.38. Okay, first level. Okay, this is the strongest level. This is the strongest trade in my opinion. There's two potential trades I see here. Okay, if we break the 17.68 resistance and it holds around here, and if it confirms the breakout, what do I mean by that exactly? I mean if we push higher, we chill here for a little bit, then we come down, and then this previous level of resistance, 1768 roughly, if we come down, bounce off this and confirm as a new support. That, and honestly, it would probably be a better idea. It'd probably be the best idea to wait for the bounce after we break out, wait for the bounce, then get in right there. Okay, and then just climb it, do a trailing stop loss, take profit whenever you want. That's the first potential trade I'm seeing here short term if you're looking for a day trade or swing trade opportunity. If we do break down, that's a possibility. It's a very high possibility, in my opinion. We are overbought. That is probably the more likely of the two scenarios. If we break down and we do something like this is going to be the second trade opportunity I see, especially if you can get it right here at 1425. This is going to be a strong trade because there's two level of supports. We do have two validations on this level of support. Could be better. I would like to see 3 or 4. In my opinion, 3 or 4 usually is more of a reliable level of ascending support, any support. Okay, but this is your second level. Watch this 23.6 retracement. If we break this, you know what the deal is. The next one's going to be this. The higher we hold here, the higher the next leg up will probably be based on the technical analysis. Okay, taking a look at GSAT, we are going to be analyzing the 30-minute chart because the 1 minute chart, 1 hour chart, I mean, there's so little to dissect here. We are going to be looking at the 30-minute chart. Okay, we did break down. Pardon me. Here we go. We did break down on this ascending level of support, and now we confirmed. Let's look at the hourly chart. Okay, I don't want to get you guys confused on hourly candle breakdowns and confirmations on breakdowns and breakouts. Okay, so we did close this candle below. We closed an hourly candle below this previous level of support, making it the new rejection, and then we are closing right now. We're attempting to close below it again. If we do not see a breakout, this is already is basically a level of resistance based on this 1 hour candle closing below the level. Okay, so that's a fundamental lesson that you have to learn if you're going to do some technical analysis. Taking a look at the RSI, the relative strength index, we're looking at 85.33, very overbought. We are overbought on all of these stocks. Okay, why did I do that? The second time I did that. Okay. Short term, I do not recommend an entry on this. I mean, if you want to play this 38.2% retracement level, that's fine. Set a tight stop loss, and make sure you are watching this. Okay, because this is a risky trade, especially at these overbought levels. All right. So that's pretty much what we're looking at there. Okay, let's take a look at NVAX. Okay, checking the 1 hour chart. This one does have a little bit more price action to dissect. We do have this ascending crucial level of support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 touch points on this. Okay, so this has been validated many times, and check out what we have, guys. One of my favorite trade ideas and strategies. Okay, 2 support levels right next to each other, because if it breaks one, it probably won't break the other. It probably won't break either, based on what I'm seeing in the charts. But our RSI, let's say the daily RSI, we are extremely overbought. Okay, so always keep that in mind. If you're going to buy at these levels, set a tight stop loss. Watch it with care, with a wary mindset. Okay, you do not typically want to buy in at these overbought levels. Okay, and quick lesson, if you don't already know this, anything over 70 on the RSI, the relative strength index, is going to be overbought. Anything under 30 is going to be oversold. Okay, all right, those are the technical analysis. That's what we're looking at as far as technicals. Let's look at some fundamental statistics briefly. 28% short volume on UAVS. Okay, nothing really crazy here. Fairly high in my opinion. Nothing crazy. Insider ownership. This is pretty crazy. This is extremely high insider ownership in my opinion. Very bullish sign. If you are a shareholder, this is a great sign. You should be feeling very happy about this. Okay, usually 5% insider ownership is pretty high in my opinion. Okay, so this is great news for y'all. NVAX short volume 18%, fairly typical. Nothing to really to talk about here. 20% insider ownership on NVAX. This is extremely high. This is extremely high, and this is a good indicator to me that this is the insiders believe, the people who are actually working and running the company believe in it. That's an extremely bullish sign, in my opinion. GSAT short interest 29%. Nothing really to talk about there. Fairly high. Nothing crazy. GSAT insider ownership 1%. This is concerning. Don't be super scared though if you're a shareholder, because I don't know much about these companies. I've told you I have not done my due diligence. If you are a shareholder in the company, hopefully you have. Less than 1%, but this is bearish though. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not going to pump stocks. Okay, I'm going to give you both sides of the argument every time. Okay, current positions and price targets. We do have something new. AGTC. Yes, I did open this position today at roughly 4.93. That was my average, I believe. Okay, I'm currently up like 5% already. I did take profits on Mara, and I did take profits on Materials Corporation. Okay, my price targets are just hitting every day now. It seems like one of these is hitting. So yeah, I did take some profits just because my account went to a level that was it was a big important level for me, and I took some profits. Okay, my price targets are the same. Don't worry if you're a shareholder of Mara or Materials Corporation. I will be entering both of these stocks at a little bit lower price. Okay. Microvision, we've already hit that price target. BioLace, we are already almost hit that price target. We were at like 1.4 something, so very close already. Nano Dimension, we are getting there. We're what are we at like right now? I believe we're like at 15-ish, 15, 16-ish. Okay, and this is my price target, $7 for AGTC. Do your due diligence on this company. This is a great company. I'll actually have a video for you, so you don't even have to do your due diligence. So you can just watch mine. So that's what we're looking at. All right, BioNano video will be coming out soon. Oh, by the way, relevant information in regards to the title has finished now. Feel free to click off if you have more important things to do. Extra information not related to the title. Helpful tips. Okay, the future. I want to let you guys know right now. I know you guys watch other finance channels if you're watching this probably. I know that you deal with the same BS that I do. The begging for likes, begging for subs, 5 ads. It's like they're not even making, apparently they're making money with the good plays that they're in that they're recommending to us, but they need to put ads on as well because it's just not enough, right? I'm never okay. That's fine if they want to do that. They do whatever you guys do whatever you want. Okay, they're good. There's some good people, good other finance YouTubers out there, but the future for this channel is not filled with ads. Okay, I'm never going to put an ad on any video. Hold me accountable to that. I promise you it will never happen. If you get an ad during one of my videos, it's not me. It's greedy YouTube that needs more money because they're just not satisfied with it. Okay, dry powder. This is an investor / trading term. It just means holding buying power on the side, ready for a flash crash. Speaking of a flash crash, this is just a rapid decrease in price. Like at the broader markets, like today, we kind of had a mini flash crash. It was it's just a lot of people accuse us of market manipulation is the reason why it happens. It's a crash that is an unjustified crash because there's no negative news catalyst justifying it. Okay, follow Stocks on Reddit, Twitter. Do this, please. Do yourself a favor, especially BioNano. That one is even today they put out some study that I have not read yet, but yeah, this is why you want to be following them on Reddit and Twitter. Free stocks we will in the description. Use multiple brokers, guys. You don't want to be stuck with Robinhood when they won't let you buy GameStop because their buddies over at Melvin Capital told them to halt the buys. Okay, you don't want to be in that situation. Use Webull, use Robinhood, use whatever. Charles Schwab is another good one. Pre-market after hours trading with Webull. I this is crucial. This is so important. I don't know if you guys realize how important this is. You have to be able to trade pre-market and after hours. It is so important to me, at least. Comment what stocks you need to cover next. I will cover them next. I will at least do what I did here. If you comment any stock, I will cover the technical analysis. I can cover any technicals of any stock. Open a Roth IRA. This is in your best interest. Definitely do it. Comment any questions. I will answer them. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next one.